All right, it's Tuesday, October 17th. So following up on the QQQs, you can see here after reaching its purple line target, had a pretty big bounce up to the midpoint of that first bar. So I just had to take a small gain on this trade. I bought the 369 puts at 504, scaled out at 550. I was trying to exit in that 6 area that I discussed. I just missed it. And then as I saw it coming back, I just exited the position at 520 here, the remaining part of the position. So an overall very, just a small gain, not much. I'm comfortable re-entering this one again. I want to see what develops here. If we come up through the first bar high, pretty strongly green, and it looks like we're going to get a 2 down reversal day where we hit that target and come back to the midpoint of that bar, maybe I will shift to the buy side. And again, it's going to have to get through there. It's going to have to come up. It's going to have an orderly pause and then look like it's getting ready to have a big reversal day. On the other hand, if we come up here, take out the stops up here, and then get some kind of reversal to the downside, I will expect this just to be a big choppy area holding the midpoint of that, below the midpoint of the prior day. And you can see we're turning green here for a second, but it's not really an up day yet until we get to the midpoint of that day. So I will just see what really unfolds here. Could this just be taking out stops and then we fail up here and then start lower? That could be a good re-entry to the sell side. But just from a risk management standpoint, you could have, like I said, I was trying to actually exit the position here at the target, just not being, greedy, I guess would be the word. Even though I can see it heading lower, I still know on the weekly chart we're just inside of that bar. But it could have been a big chain reaction to, get a 2 down week. But at the moment, bouncing a little bit at this target, I want to see if this becomes a big 2 down failure day. And we'll see what happens here as this green bar unfolds. That's kind of what I'm watching. Again, the way I'd buy it is if we really take that first bar high out, get up kind of strong, have an orderly, pause, and then start up again, I might anticipate a 3 bar back to the upside here and get to the long side. If not, I'll look for some kind of obvious failure bar in here that looks like it wants to attack that low to maybe get short again. So now it's just watching mode. Again, good trade, set up, no risk. Could have taken base hit gains at target, and we'll just see what unfolds here on the Qs.